Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Let's start our topic. Sexual wellness is a multifaceted aspect of overall well-being that can be influenced by various factors, including diet and nutrition. While there is no specific sexual wellness diet that guarantees optimal sexual health, adopting a balanced and nutritious eating plan can support overall wellness and potentially have positive effects on sexual function. Here is a global guide to dietary considerations that may promote sexual well-being. 1. Balanced diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. This typically involves incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. 2. Antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress, which can affect sexual health. Include foods like berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, tomatoes, nuts, and seeds, as they are rich in antioxidants. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids support cardiovascular health, which is essential for optimal blood flow to sexual organs. Include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts in your diet as they are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Healthy fats. Include healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats can help improve hormone production and promote healthy circulation. 5. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a crucial role in hormone production and reproductive health. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, lean meats, poultry, beans, and nuts. 6. B vitamins. B vitamins are important for energy production and overall well-being. Include foods like whole grains, legumes, leafy greens, and lean meats, which are good sources of B vitamins. 7. L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide, which promotes blood flow and supports sexual function. Foods like meat, poultry, dairy, nuts, and seeds contain L-arginine. 8. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, including sexual well-being. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to maintain hydration. 9. Moderation and balance. Maintain a healthy body weight and avoid excessive intake of processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. These can negatively impact overall health and potentially affect sexual function. It's worth noting that individual dietary needs may vary, and some people may have specific dietary restrictions or health conditions that require personalized advice from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Additionally, a holistic approach to sexual wellness involves more than just diet, including exercise, stress management, quality sleep, and open communication with partners. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.